Hi, I'm Alan, and this is CodeCrafter, my entry for the Code with Kiro Hackathon. It's a full-stack app that turns your app ideas into code using text or voice input, built with React, TypeScript, Supabase, and AWS Transcribe. Kiro was my secret weapon, and I'll show you how it transformed my development process. Create a weather app. Here's CodeCrafter in action. The How It Works section explains the flow. Input your idea, generate code, and save it. I can type an idea like to-do list app and submit it to our Supabase backend via Netlify functions. Or use voice input with AWS Transcribe. Watch me say weather app, and it transcribes in real time. Saved ideas appear here, and I earn badges like First Idea for engagement. For vibe coding, I structured Kiro conversations iteratively. I started with broad prompts like create a React app with TypeScript, then refined for features like add voice input with AWS Transcribe. Kiro's most impressive generation was inputform.tsx, which integrated WebRTC, S3 uploads and transcription polling in minutes, saving me around 10 hours of coding. It handled complex async logic and error cases, letting me focus on creative features like badges. Kiro's agent hooks automated key workflows. The npm install hook added dependencies like AWS SDK automatically. The just test hook generated and ran tests for components like badges. TSX, the git commit hook staged files and wrote commit messages like added footer and badges. These hooks saved approximately 9 hours of manual work, ensuring a clean project structure and reliable Netlify deployments, making development smooth and error-free. For spec to code, I wrote detailed prompts with project context, tech stack, and outputs. For example, add a badges.tsx component with Tailwind CSS and Supabase queries, produced a fully styled component with loading states. This spec-driven approach cut revisions by only 70%, speeding up feature development like saved ideas and navigation, and kept the codebase consistent. The Kiro directory in my repo holds all specs and tasks, proving Kiro's impact. Check out CodeCrafter at codecrafter-web.netlify.app and my repo at github.com/alljblees/codecrafter. Kiro made this hackathon a blast. I'm #hooked on Kiro. Thanks for watching.